if you're getting into tennis but want a bag that's stylish and put together, this is honestly a hidden gem that I don't think is spoken enough. Hey loves, welcome to my channel. So today's video is slightly different, but I am going to be doing a review on the Lululemon tennis bag. Now this, I don't know, to some of you might be slightly random, but I promise you it's not. I'm currently in my tennis girl era. Definitely make sure to follow me on TikTok because I am doing a full series following my journey from being a beginner and hopefully advancing into the intermediate level. So I'm super excited. I absolutely love tennis so far. It's been so much fun getting into all the new tennis gear. I never thought I'd be a girly that would be doing a review on a tennis bag. But here I am, and I thought it'd be really helpful to maybe one of you because I didn't really see many reviews on this particular bag. But if you want to know more about my tennis journey, definitely go make sure to follow me on TikTok. And I've also mentioned it on a few vlogs here and there. I've definitely been consistent, taking lessons and just doing what I can to really improve. And to do that, you need a cute tennis bag. How freaking cute is this? So cute. So quick overview on the bag. Overall, it's straight out of the box, it's very premium, as it would be because it is from Lululemon. So I don't expect anything else because these bags, Lululemon in general period, is expensive. So I wouldn't expect anything but quality if you're spending this kind of money. But I think what stood out to me was the structure of this bag. Even with nothing inside it, you can see it's beautifully structured and it doesn't look too, I feel like it feels really girly without it being all pink and in your face. I just think the shape and everything just makes it look very polished. Let's just address the elephant in the room before we go into anything else, the price point. So this bag retails for £148, I believe. I will also have the US pricing on the screen as well. So it is very expensive. But I think you're paying not only for the brand, but you're also paying for the quality, the durability, and also the versatility of the bag as well. Whether it's worth it will depend on your use. So I am more consistent with tennis. I go at least twice a week and I do want to increase that. So I think I'm getting my money's worth. But if it's something that you do once in a blue moon, just find a bag on Amazon. I don't think you need to spend this kind of money on a bag like this. So if you look at the bag, in front is where, of course, you will put your racket. So there's like a designated bag for your racket, which is amazing. And then you have the main bag, which it is attached on. So you can hold it as on the handles, or alternatively, you can hold it, have it as a backpack. And I actually like to wear it both ways. When I'm going onto the court or whatever, I'll wear it as a backpack, but then sometimes it's just easy to have it by the handle. So I do like the fact that you have the versatility of holding it with the handles or wearing it as a backpack. This bag is super spacious. I cannot emphasize how much space this bag has. There is so much space. You can literally fit everything in here, including your clothes, water bottles, towels, any extra trainers, phone, camera if you want to take content. It's literally a bag that can fit everything and more, which is what I really love, because before I got this bag I would have my tennis racket, which had its own pouch that it came in, and then I had my gym bag, and so I was holding two separate bags. But this allows me to have everything in one place. The racket pocket is really well integrated. There's like an internal pocket that stops everything from becoming a black hole. And I like knowing where my essentials are without sort of digging around. I was slightly concerned about the weight distribution, but even with everything inside, it's very comfortable to wear. It doesn't dig into my shoulders. I did recently get a new racket for my birthday and it's slightly heavier than the cheaper racket that I was using. I'll have it on the screen here. Even with that heavier racket, it doesn't feel like super heavy on my back, which I really do appreciate. Overall, I'm absolutely loving this bag. If you're new to tennis or on your tennis journey or just kind of play tennis as just a hobby, I would highly recommend this racket bag. It is super durable and it fits so much, but most importantly, stylish and cute. I think when you pick up a sport, even if you go to the gym, they always say they wear a cute gym outfit so that you feel good when you're working out. I think it's the same for tennis. I feel so cute when I walk on the tennis court with my bag. I just feel so put together. I only just got this bag about 3 weeks ago, I believe. I got it on my birthday, so I haven't had a ton of usage, but I will give you guys an update in a few months, maybe like around the 6-month mark, on where we are at with it. Also, just quickly on the color, I believe it comes in 2 colors. It comes in this blue and this color that I have here, which is like the natural with the black. I definitely prefer this because it's just a little bit cuter. There is also a navy option as well, and I will also have that on the screen. But overall, I am loving this Lululemon tennis bag. It's everything and more, so definitely stay tuned for the 6-month review. Let me know if you want me to do any other videos on this bag. I'll definitely do so. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.